Good afternoon, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions, and today I'm shooting a video of our 2017 Kia Sorento. This is a rear entry mobility van. Manual ramp and door, very easy to operate, very low cost to maintain. This is spring assisted. I can take it out using just one hand. Very easy to do. Roll right up in the ramp. You can sit the wheelchair either between those two seats if it's narrow enough, or put the legs of the rider in between the two seats, and the bottom will sit behind it. Got your 4 tie down points. Headliner's clean, it's a very clean vehicle. Got your electronics and your rear air back here. The dash is in excellent condition. Has your steering wheel control so you can keep your eyes on the road. It's got the backup camera. Nice center console there in the middle. Overall very clean. And when you've got everybody secure, and we do give a free set of ratcheting tie downs away with each vehicle, and everybody's secure, come back out. Put her back up, put her away, very easy to do. And you're ready to roll. Do a quick walk around. This is the LX 2017 alloy wheels. We put brand new tires, and I mean brand new tires on the rear. The tires that were in back both had a hole in the firewall, a small puncture in them. So we did the right thing, we replaced them. These front tires were moved off the back, so they're nearly brand new condition as well. So 4 excellent condition tires, tinted windows in the rear. It's hard to find a dent or scratch on this thing. It's super clean, very well taken care of. One owner, no accidents, clean title from the auto check report. As far as the interior, the jump seats are very clean. They put these in, super nice. I'm a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke or unusual odors in this SUV. You can see the VIN number right there. Very clean interior, like I said. It's got the keyless entry. Got your key right there, keyless entry. Go to fire up. Got a full tank of gas. Miles are 15,700 and some change. AC works great. No dummy lights on. There's no check engine light, no ABS. We've tested all the windows, all the locks, all the power mirrors, power doors. We have mechanics that look these over before we put them on the lot. Let's pop the hood so you can listen to it run. Underneath the hood, little 4-cylinder, idles smoothly, no signs of any accidents. We checked these over for signs of damage. Down inside, no signs of any water damage, no signs of any frame damage. As I crawl underneath the vehicle, much of the same, very clean, no signs of any rust. That's just the air conditioner dripping there. It's about 95 degrees today. Very warm day. And you'll notice our competition, they rarely, if ever, show the undercarriage of the vehicle. The reason is most of them buy these vehicles, from up north where they can buy them a lot cheaper because they're all rusted out. And you say to me, how does a vehicle with 15,000 miles have rust on it? Yeah, let a vehicle drive in the Chicago winter or New York or somewhere like that, and you'll see rust. I promise you that. So that's the number one mistake people make when buying vehicles. They assume things. They assume because it looks nice in the pictures. They assume because the salesman was nice to them. They assume because they think they're getting a good price. They assume the vehicle runs good. They assume that it's not all rusted out underneath. Don't be a fool. Don't get burned like people do on the internet every day. Don't assume things. Demand a video like this, get the facts. And what I'm going to do now is take the video out and drive it on the highway so you can see for yourself that it runs and drives nice, that I'm not hiding anything, so you don't have to assume things, so you know. Last portion of the video, I always like to get the vehicles on the highway so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift, and you know that whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states or that you come in and drive this little SUV home, we've made sure it's roadworthy. And yeah, this is a little 4-cylinder. Gets up to 70 miles an hour, no problems. Plenty of pep to it. Plus you can get up to mid-20s on the fuel if you drive it nicely. Very good fuel mileage for a little SUV. We've got the cruise control set. Cruise works great. Steering wheel is nice and straight. It's not bouncing back and forth, so that's exactly what we want. Very nice ride down the highway. I know there's other people out there selling, these little mobility SUVs. Check out their rating with the Better Business Bureau. Is it as good as ours? Because ours is an A+ rating. Also look at their Google reviews online. See what people had to say about them. We have hundreds, over 100 great reviews on eBay. We've had over 500 transactions. Every one of them has been positive. So no matter where you look, people are saying great things about affordable mobility. And that's because we get out here, we make these videos. We want you to know exactly what you're getting. It's our videos, our price, and our reputation. That's what's going to sell this little SUV. We're no pressure at all on sales. I promise you, if you don't buy this little SUV, someone else is gonna. So I'm not sweating it. I'm gonna give it a hard brake on this ramp here. Traffic's a little bit slow, but I'm gonna try to give it a nice hard brake. No grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise. So at only 15,000 miles on the odometer, still under the full factory warranty specs. It also comes with a warranty on the conversion. And you can even add very affordable extended warranties as well. And when you're comparing us to the competition, again, I'm out here making videos. It's 90 degrees, the concrete's way hotter than that. I'm the owner of the company. I'm laying on the ground. I'm crawling underneath the vehicle because I want you to know exactly what you're getting. We're not trying to hide anything. We're trying to be as honest and fair as we possibly can. And you'll notice most of our competition, none of them make video. They don't, I guess it's not as important to them. This is a lot of money you're spending. I don't want any surprises. I want you to say that's exactly the vehicle Jeremiah represented in the video. Also, again, I'm the owner of the company. I am not a used car salesman. These vehicles sell themselves. When you call, you talk to me, the owner. At these other companies, you talk to used car salesmen. And they're probably going to be working somewhere else in a month or two. They honestly don't really care if you get a good deal. Most of them, unfortunately, they don't even care if you get the truth. All they care about is that commission check. You know why used car salesmen have the reputation they do. So with that being said, if you want to do business with a used car salesman, give the competition a call. I'm sure they'd love to talk to you. If you want to do business with the owner who cares about you, who's going to give you his cell phone number, is 316-518-4377. If you want to call or text me, you can also give our office line a call, 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. Again, my name is Jeremiah. We have financing available, free shipping in the lower 48 states. If you have any questions, please give me a call. And as always, thank you so much for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.